and it be translated.
Caught me, my nigga.
And the cheek clapping sounds a little different because it's in English. That's crazy.
Like for the cheek clapping.
Nigga, is this much better or am I tweaking? It's much better. It's
way better.
Ooh, that bitch got a little butt.
She got lowercase p on that thing. You know what I'm saying? Damn, that's so crazy, bro. Jamal watching twerk videos on YouTube. Hell yeah.
Bro, nobody said that.
This is so much better. Wow.
Oh.
Much better. What the hell? Yeah, that audio translate muffles the audio. Wow. That's not Jay and Silent Bob Strikes Back. That's not that nigga right there. Right here.
They got a long ass name.
This dude, Jay and Silent Bob Strikes Back. You remember the movie? That's him. I think it's Silent Bob. Yeah, this is me right here. I would do it just like this. Same colors and everything. Nasty. Oh my God.
Kijk.
Vlammen schieten.
Kijk.
Much better. Oh my goodness. Nigga said, I saw a flame. What the fuck? Come on, bro. You got a Supra, bro. You're supposed to be shooting 8 foot long. I'm saying. Yeah, this is more like it. This is gonna shoot. It's gonna shoot. I hear it. Sound like a Assetto Corsa mod. Why you smoke? Why you put it? Bro, where are the flames? Oh, God damn! What the fuck?
Where did that just go?
Why is it on like the decel or like the what? All right, 34. Brother, you gotta do better with your underglow. I can see the lights. Damn.
37.
I mean,
yo, who's their tuners, bro?
From that level, though.
You said what?
The car is higher up, so it's like.
I mean, yeah, you're right, but it could be tucked a little better than that, bro. Yeah. Yo, chill out. God damn. This shit ain't shooting no flames. Stop it.
I think it's twin turbo though.
You think so? Nah, this will shoot flames. I think these are the wheels that TJ Hunt had on his GTR. This is shooting flames for sure, easily. Go get a mini eraser. What does that mean?
This shit shooting sparks.
Vandaar dat we die oordoppen nodig hebben.
Whatever she's saying, I'm with it. Damn, they need to put the progressive tuning more like regressive.
That was good.
Because it's like the opposite of progressive.
Yeah.
It's backwards. Yeah. Okay, cool. Why do golfs always sound like ass? Well, damn.
Let it go, bro.
Wow.
I think I got my firecrackers.
Supra. Damn. Move your skinny jeans. Oh shit, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Oh yeah. Damn, shit, yo.
Ja, dat.
Nou ja, ik twijfel toch een beetje.
I agree with whatever she's saying.
Who that little?
He looks like what's the basketball player name that be doing like crazy layups? That guy. No. Low key, she is bad as fuck. Damn, that might be the best one so far. Damn, he's still going. You're right. That's just fireworks inside the shit. He just blowing sparks. Ant spark. His nigga's name is Ant Sparky because he only shoots sparks, not flames. It's a nice build though. I like this. Bum, 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 bum. What the hell is that? That should look like Nick's head. Sorry, I had to. Would you ever get an MK5 Supra? I think so, a manual one. Ah, what's this, a 650S? I can't see the front.
What? Yo, that nigga, yo, in 5A when you got no gas, that's what that shit look like.
Why do none of them have actual flames? What's going on? It's a 650S. RS6? No flames. Get out of here. That's beautiful though. That's nice. That purple. That's a nice. You stupid. They do look like the BMG wheels. This is a very, very, very nicely spec'd vehicle. I love this purple. I love the matte. I love the wheels. This is perfect. I would drive the fuck out of this. Oh my goodness. RS6 GT. I didn't even know the GT existed. This is a Forza ass build. Why is nobody shooting flames? Why they keep blowing smoke? Put this song back, take it off. I ain't trying to get hit with copy off. This is a, yo, I ain't gonna lie, I would want my money back. I would want my money back for these tickets. This show is ass. They ain't doing no type of flames. I'm saying, like, what the fuck? Give me my money back. The RS6 is legal, the newer one. We have them. You can literally buy one. They blowing smoke to distract the crowd because of no flames. Facts, bro. I ain't gonna lie. You supposed to be bad, but she got on mids. I don't fuck with Jordan mids. You know what I'm saying? The ones, mids, them shit is mid. Nobody? All right, cool. All right. Damn. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Flames. She bad enough for me though, or am I just a freak? What's up with you, bro? You lusty, you bad lusty. Oh shit. Ooh. He needs like paint correction, but this shit fire. Not a single
really
flame.
Good.
Is this a rev contest or a flame contest? It's just revving. I think it's just revving. This shit is stock. Turn the music on. We're trying to hear revs. Oh, it actually, yeah. She said that shit. She said that shit is fly as fuck, my G. You heard her? That's what she said.
Oh, hij deed het niet. Maakt niet uit. Goed, goed.
Man. This shit whack. I ain't lusty, dog. You know what I meant. Freaky ass boy. Oh shit, there we go. Damn. Damn. That shit is fucking up the camera. Like it's like making it skip frames. That's a nice build. I fuck with that. It's not like his shit breaking up though. Am I tripping?
No, that's what we do.
You said what?
Oh.
That shit sound like it's breaking up. Oh, that's just unfamiliar.
Oh.
Right.
That could be like the inside leg.
Stop blowing the smoke for the shit catch on fire. Not really, I'm joking, but you know what I mean. Damn! Yo! We were inside a public place. Why you scared of skirting? Oh my god. T51R? Please? And then with the fucking cookie crisp with the cookie chips? That shit, I need my turbo on my Supra sound like that. That sound like Donkey Kong. Oh, this is the one we already saw. Something about this car just isn't clean. I don't know what's going on. And his exhaust has like doo-doo stains on it or something. Nigga, why would you cross in front of him as he... Yo, bro, people piss me off. Missing a diffuser, making it look like it's naked, the color, and the height. Yeah, the ride height, yeah. Yo, Jamal, I still see his lights, bro. You giving him excuses, I still see them shits. Look.
Oh, see, nah, but... Okay, no, that's not his lights, though.
Christmas was good, bro.
What?
It is. Shout out to Forgotten Legends for the goddamn 16 minutes. Appreciate you. I hope your Christmas was great as well. You know what I'm saying? Thank you so much. Where's my phone at?
Nah, that's his light.
Yeah, that was his lights. We saw this one already, so this is the one with the lights. I love the lights. Why that nigga got his mouth open like that? Oh shit. Yeah. Oh shit. Them tight ass jeans. Damn.
Wow.
Okay, that's fire. Fast cars, shooting stars, all of the lights, all of the lights. What's that? Evo? Oh, that's a Golf. What the hell? That shit had me fooled for a second. Next time you go on the reaction channel, you gotta purge the ones you already watched or skip some of the clutter. Yeah, for sure, for sure. I already saw the very first one, the motorcycle one. I remember that shit. No, you're not weird for that racing, man. You drive whatever you want, bro. That's the thing about this car game now. People think you have to drive what everybody else is driving. Drive what the fuck you want, bro. All right, I'm over this video. I'm done. I'm over it. I'm over it. I'm over it. Fast cars, shooting stars. Should we play video games or something? What time is it?